Hi guys, Carla here, and today I'm going to be showing you how I take this washed out rhubarb and custard looking dew and get it back to a very vibrant red. Now I'm using Manic Pillarbox red and Directions Pillarbox red. Now I know the instructions tell you to apply Manic and Directions to, I think it's shampooed towel dried hair. Now I've tried it every single possible way you could imagine after doing my hair for so long, and for me personally it actually works better on dry hair, but that is just because of my hair type. My hair is incredibly porous after bleaching it so often over the years, which, as we all know, ain't great for your hair. So if I wash my hair first, it's actually absorbing and holding that much water. It doesn't really take colour very well and it ends up really patchy, which definitely isn't what I want. However, your girl isn't a hairdresser, so in the interest of saving your barnets, I would definitely recommend following either the manufacturer's instructions or some sound advice from your local hairdresser. Or if you've got a mate, ask them. So I'm now just sectioning off my hair a little bit. It doesn't matter too much if I get the red on the black portion of my hair, because the black is actually permanent and the red doesn't really show up on it. So, and to be honest, your girl ain't got time to be the tidiest person in the world when it comes to dyeing hair. Now I did actually have Netflix set up on my laptop while I was doing my hair. So if I keep looking away, it's because I'm catching up on the originals. Yeah, I like vampires. Also, best dirt moment has to be I'm such an idiot, man. And like an idiot, instead of just taking my gloves up and going and washing it off, I did this whole big awkward turtle moment. Yeah, that happened. I would definitely also recommend having some wipes nearby or a wet face cloth or something like that for things like that happening. Because if you're as clumsy as me, they will. Now remember when your mum used to tell you always to wash behind your ears? Carla's telling you, always dye behind your ears. Never forget behind your ears. Because I have lots. Do as I say, not what I do. Now I used a mirror here just to see if I was missing any little areas at the back, which I usually do, and I had. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Once you've finished that side and it's totally saturated in colour, just take a sectioning clip and put it up out of the way, and then start the next side.
Also, how blissed do I look at that mini head rub there for a second? Get one last look in the mirror, make sure you're not missing any bits at the back, really pull that colour through your hair as much as possible. I do tend to rub it into my scalp as well, so it does stain for a couple of days, but I can live with that to make sure I'm not missing any bits. And then I tie it up out of the way and leave it for about 3 hours. The instructions do say half an hour, but I tend to leave it as long as possible, and then wash it off with tepid or cold water.
And there we're gone. That is the finished do. So as you can see, it's a pretty vibrant red. It does tend to leave my hair looking pretty soft and manageable as well, which is always a plus in my book. Yeah, generally this will last about 3-4 weeks, depending on how often you wash your hair. I'm pretty lazy, so I do it maybe 2-3 times a week and dry shampoo in between, just to make it last as long as possible. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Let me know. Bye!